Welcome back. Today we're going beyond the basics and mastering the resistor color code with a real-world sample walkthrough. Electronic circuits are filled with these tiny cylinders. Understanding them is key to any successful build. Let's strip away the mystery and decode the language of stripes. As a quick refresher, most standard resistors use the 4-band system. Each position tells a specific part of the story. Always start from the band closest to the end of the resistor body. We read them left to right. The first 2 bands represent our base digits. The color sequence follows a standard numeric value for each hue. The third band, the multiplier, tells us how many zeros to add, or rather, the power of 10 to multiply by. And finally, the tolerance band reveals the component's precision range. Gold and silver are the most common. Now, let's put theory into practice. Here's our sample resistor: yellow, violet, orange, and gold. Look closely at these 4 stripes. We'll decode them one by one to find the total resistance. Our first band is yellow. In the standard color code, yellow represents the digit 4. This gives us our first significant figure, so write down a 4. Simple enough, right? Moving to the second band, we have violet. Looking at our chart, violet corresponds to the digit 7. When we combine them, we get 47. These are our base digits before we apply the multiplier. Now for the multiplier. The third band is orange. This represents 10 to the power of 3, or 1000. So, we take our 47 and multiply it by 1000. That means adding 3 zeros to our base digits. The result is 47,000 ohms. In the world of electronics, we usually simplify this. We divide by 1000 and call it 47 k ohms. The K stands for kilo, just like a kilogram. Finally, we check the tolerance. Our sample has a gold band, which signifies a 5% precision. This means the actual resistance can vary by 5% above or below 47K. It's the manufacturing margin of error. 47K is incredibly common. You'll find it often used as a pull-up resistor in digital logic circuits. If you measure it with a multimeter, a reading like 47.1K ohms would be perfectly within spec. So there it is: yellow, violet, orange, gold, a standard 47K ohm resistor decoded. One pro tip: always check your resistors under good lighting. Brown, red, and orange can look similar in shadows. Now it's your turn. If you saw red, brown, and gold, what would that value be? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for diving deep with us. For more technical guides and electronics teardowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Keep building, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next project.